Hello my friends, today we are going to be talking about your ugly kitchen countertops and what you can do to remodel them. So let's get started. For budget-friendly home improvement advice where we help you save more so that you can do more in your home, make sure you hit that bell and subscribe today so that you don't miss out on a single episode. Well my friends, we have had several people email us about what are our options about updating countertops. And we kind of had to think about this because obviously you can just downright replace them, but some people weren't quite ready yet because they were trying to figure out their entire kitchen remodel. So we came up with 3 or 4 different options for you of what you could do if your countertops fall under these categories. 1, they are scratched. 2, what if they're cracked in different places, in key places, and you're tired of looking at those cracks? 3, what if they're just plain old? You're done with them. 4, they're ugly. They're ugly because they either have color stains, they have scratches, they have marks on it, because let's face it, kids can be rough, or dads can be rough on countertops. And another reason is that the design, maybe the design color or the design choice that looked so beautiful 10 years ago is now outdated. So whatever the reason would be for your ugly countertops, we want to talk to you about some options that you have in order to get those ugly things out of your kitchen and get some pretty ones in there. So if I were to start at the top of the food chain of countertops, I would say if money is not an option or your budget is rather large for your kitchen remodel, then there are 2 choices that I would go with, either granite or quartz. And there's very little work involved for you, the consumer, other than to find a dealership that is close to you. In our area, there are a couple of different ones, and if you go to a big distributor of some of the granite countertop specialty stores that you can go to, the sky is the limit with the different designs that they have. Now, so is the price. So you go out, and if you've never looked at granite before, you go out onto the lot and you look at these huge slabs of granite that they have available. Now, you as the consumer need to envision what that piece of granite would look like in your home. So you would want to have the different colors that you're going to be working with as far as your cabinetry and that kitchen remodel, your flooring. Those are the 2 big things in order to see if those granite countertops or quartz countertops would work in your design. I want to add one more thing about granite and quartz. You can go to a specialty store to get those things, or there is a department in some of the big box stores like Home Depot and Lowe's that would be able to give you the quartz that they have in their supply. So if you're looking in order to those 2 different materials and you don't know where to shop, you could start there and get some ideas and then go to the specialty areas in your home. Now, when you talk about the big box stores, there are a few countertop selections that you can get there as well. We actually looked at a couple of quartz countertop samples, and what I liked about it is that they had a block that I was able to take off and put at the different countertops that I thought I was going to be buying at that time. So it was kind of like a puzzle, if you will, where you were able to find your countertops, you were able to find your backsplash, and you could put your countertop and backsplash right next to the cabinets, and voila, you were able to piece together a kitchen remodel. If you are a visual learner or you're somebody who's starting out in this process, I would start at your big box store and get an idea of what you're talking about. Now, most of the big box stores will help you with the pricing of those items. You can set up an appointment typically, and you go in and they help you design your kitchen, and then they can layer in that backsplash idea that we were talking about, and then specifically your countertop. So if you're going for like an entire remodel, that's what you could do. If you're just going for a countertop remodel because you want to replace that ugly countertop that you have, go into the big box store and see the different types of materials that they have available, and they'll even often give you a sample size, like a card, like a credit card size, that you can bring home and see if it matches your kitchen. Okay, so a third option for replacing those ugly countertops when you are doing a kitchen remodel would be a a DIY option. Now, you know that I love DIY projects, and I have to admit, I did not even know that a countertop could be a DIY option until I got the sticker price of the granite that I was looking at and realized that I had not budgeted enough. If that is a problem for you as well, here are some DIY options. First, if you have scratches and cracks on your existing, let's say just your laminate countertops, you could do something like paint or epoxy over it until you could either save up for those big ticket items, or in order to get you through until you know what material you actually want. I personally have not done a paint or epoxy project, but I am going to link to one below. My sister-in-law did one and she loved the end result. I'm also gonna have an interview with her where I asked her 6 questions about it because, admittedly, I was a little skeptical when it came to painting my countertops and the durability of that. I don't have any other answers for you at this time, but that is just one thing that I can link to below in order to give you a DIY option. A second DIY option, which is more cost effective, is to go with a laminate. You can go in, you can see the colors that they offer. It's a good material to start out with. It's not high end, but it's at least something that can get you out of your either stains or scratches or just that, granny countertop that you've had since the 60s. A third option would be to do a skim coat of concrete. I've seen some people loving the whole slate look, or they want that natural earthy look, and skim coat or feathering the concrete on top of your existing laminate is a great option. I personally started to try to do this over my existing laminate in the kitchen, and because we had a backsplash ledge to it and a unique edging to it, I didn't feel like I could do that and do it with the amount of quality that I wanted to do. So I have, again, not tried the skim coat of concrete, but that is a DIY option. Another DIY option that you can do if you don't like materials such as marble or quartz or granite or concrete, you can go with butcher block or wood. There are pre-assembled butcher block pieces that you can buy at your big box store. They're beautiful, and then you can they're normally a raw surface so that you would want to seal it, or you could even stain it to the wood coloring that you would like. I've also linked in the description below to several people who have built the most gorgeous butcher block countertops with wood, different types of wood. I'm no tree specialist as far as the different colors, but I do know that when I look at some of these, they are absolute works of art. So if you are interested in a earthy type of material in your home, a butcher block countertop can be a really great choice. Last DIY countertop to replace those ugly countertops that you have that we would like to suggest today is doing concrete countertops. Obviously, they are something that's near and dear to my heart. I'm even starting to teach a course on it. So if you are interested in learning if this is a material for you, again, please make sure that you look in the description below where we will send you information out on the email when that course is being released. But let me just say that for DIY concrete countertops, they are such a fun and unique countertop for me because I like that you can customize it to the size and to the coloring and to the design that you want. The sky is the limit. So to me, it has maybe it's the same creative process as painting and doing the feathering and the faux marble, but with the durability of some of the higher end materials such as quartz and granite. So if you are interested in doing concrete countertops in your home, we have a pro and con video that you can look to see if that's, again, an option that you want to go. And if you are interested, in the description below, make sure you sign up for our newsletter so that you are able to get the course that we're going to be offering here in the upcoming weeks. So I hope we've really touched on, if you have ugly countertops that have scratches and cracks, they're old, the color's bad, you just want to get rid of them, you have some options. You don't have to go spend the $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 on that new countertop. You can maybe do a DIY project to skirt it through until you know exactly what you want to do, or maybe the DIY project can get you for another couple of years. So I hope that the options that we presented today are helpful to you. The next step is to get your free ultimate home improvement guide. This guide is amazing for anybody who's going to be doing a kitchen renovation or a home renovation, because it's going to first help you plan that renovation. Two, it's going to help you budget the different items that you're going to have to purchase in order to get the renovation done. And three, we chock full of tips and tricks that are going to help you save time or save money or both as you go through our guide. So again, make sure you get your free ultimate home improvement guide, and you can get that in the description below. There's a link.